LASCO Remote Assistance. In the following, we will introduce you to the most important features of our internet-based maintenance services based on the user interface of the system. Please scan the QR code on your machine to get directly to the digital image of your plant. From here, you can contact your LASCO machine expert by clicking on the link. Join the video conference and describe your concerns to your LASCO expert. In addition to direct communication, you can also share files with your LASCO expert. In order to discuss details as precisely as possible, screen contents can be highlighted with the help of so-called annotations. Do you want to document solutions developed with LASCO experts? Take advantage of the simple possibility of data storage with the help of a case. The case is the first step on your way to an efficient solution with the help of LASCO Remote Assistance. Your case allows you to keep all information in view. You have a direct line to your LASCO expert, easy access to all machine plant documents, as well as the current processing step. If necessary, all specialist departments at LASCO can access your case and work with you to find an uncomplicated and quick solution. To ensure transparency on both sides, it is possible for you to create a report for each service case and call it up at any time. This report contains all the essential information of the case and documents the entire approach. With LASCO Remote Assistance, you benefit from fast response times, targeted troubleshooting, and rapid fault rectification, all without unnecessary travel time and associated costs.